This is Ford Mustang Week 2026 down in Galveston, Texas. They're going to park us in this big parking lot, and I guess you just hang out all day, go look at all the vendor setups, and I'm going to do the dyno later on in the day. We might have to make it right here to get behind all these other Mustangs.
Ask this worker.
This is where that video is. Is this the VIP parking right here?
Do you guys have wristbands?
Yeah.
Yeah, go straight ahead.
I hope they don't give him no shit.
Good, they let him through.
Good. Thank God.
He probably said, yeah, we got wristbands. He'll worry about getting us on a wristband later, probably.
I ain't mad at him. Little bit's like 5, 6.
Our friend James is behind us, so worried that he wouldn't be able to get in here because his son don't have a VIP wristband. They let him through. I guess we get to park closer to where all the action's going to be, which is kind of cool. If you didn't have a wristband, you have to park like half a mile away and walk. As soon as we park, I'll basically set up the car and do some walk-arounds with my little selfie stick I bought. Little DJI Pocket 3. Kind of excited to get to see all the vendors.
I know, it's going to be such a fun day.
People I've been buying parts from for the last 15 years. See them face to face finally.
We've sponsored them.
I think IC Chiller is going to be here too. I see True Fibers here. That's where all my carbon fiber on the interior of my car came from. I see their vendor setup. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off, and we'll get back with you once we get parked. Nice little Cobra right here. I love this color Mach 1 with the orange accents. Very unique. California Special right here. This Coyote's bagged and it's got a Paxton on it.
In the city, lights where shadows play, a glitch in the system, we're lost in the fray. Electric whispers calling out my name, dark alleys hide secrets, igniting.
Gen 4 Whipple set up right here.
Feel the rhythm, let the darkness ignite. Together we'll dance in the
GT 500. This one's flawless. Beautiful paint job. It's in immaculate condition. Engine bay is clean. I love these seats with the embroidered Cobra on them. Me and the wife just signed the waiver for the drifting ride-along. We will record some of the footage of that on the inside as well as the outside. I'm going to show you all the drift cars out here. There's about 20 of them. And the drift car me and the wife will ride in.
Through the darkness will never be tamed.
In this void of passion, our bodies collide. Neon lights flicker where chaos.
This is the car I chose to ride in for obvious reasons. Who wouldn't want to ride in a 950 wheel horsepower Whippled Coyote drift car? Chris Leonard told me he's been drifting for 9 years now.
Your eyes, the intensity grows, lost in the madness.
We've seen this truck at the Cams and Coffee event. I think he's here for the burnout competition, but I'm not too sure.
Like a heart, together we'll tear every night apart.
The world is our playground.
Some more drift cars on the backside over here.
The edge of illusion, we're never complete. With every scream, we'll break through the sound. In this realm of darkness, together we're bound.
In shadows we rise, the intensity grows, lost in the madness when nobody.
Cars just keep showing up. Parking lot is packed with VIP cars. There must be at least 600-700 cars in this VIP section over here.
Together we'll tear every night apart. As the dawn approaches, we'll dance until light. In shadows we linger, we own the night.
Beautiful Fox body. GT350. Gen 1 GT500. Another Cobra.
Echoes in the night, the clock strikes fate. In the neon glow, I won't hesitate. Adrenaline rushing, I'm ready to fight. The synthetic rhythm igniting the night. Dark surrounds, but I
Now this GT500 is beautiful. It's got a lot of carbon on it.
pull me in deep in this chaotic world. Secrets we keep.
Please don't turn away. We're dancing in the shadows.
Another Mach 1.
In waves of sound, where darkness never follows.
Cobra on a drag pack.
Heartbeat synchronized.
This Coyote setup's got some nitrous. See the nitrous plate?
Laser lights flashing through the neon haze, and this electric fire, we're lost in a blaze.
Got a Coyote swap into a 4-eyed Fox body.
It's where the darkness rolls, fingers entwined as we dance on the edge, bound by the sound, this auxiliary play.
Another GT350.
We're dancing in
This would be the Whippled Smurf's twin if I had a GT350. Beautiful car. Just love this color.
darkness never follows.
Screaming silence, we emerge from depths unknown.
I love the theme with this old ice cream truck.
Through the sonic storm.
It's even got a blower sticking out the windshield. See it? It's a pretty sick car.
in the chaos we'll find. Binary heartbeat, electric delight. Together we're warriors, igniting the night. The pulse of the city flows through our veins, lost in the echoes. We're breaking the chains.
Please don't turn away.
Finally, it's time for some drifting action. Gonna have a few videos of me and my wife riding in the drift car with Leonard. Stay tuned to watch them.
Where darkness never follows.
In the shadows we thrive. Where the
If you ever get the chance to ride with a pro drift driver, do it. It is so worth the $100 I spent to ride with them. The experience was amazing.
We have found our home.
The pulse, the beat, it keeps us alive. Together in this darkness, we will survive.
I loved it.
I knew you would.
It almost topped our wedding day and childbirth. That's what I told him.
That's awesome. I knew you'd like it.
I loved it. It was so much fun. It wasn't that scary.
Everybody's here to see the Whipple Smurf. Got a little crowd going. Some more people back over here. The Whippled Smurf only made 913 rear-wheel horsepower with 729 foot-pounds of torque on this dyno jet. Every one of these are calibrated a little bit differently, so numbers can vary. In DFW, my car made 952 and 756 torque. Well, today is over. We just got done off the dyno, and we're basically finding a spot for a car to park. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out tremendously. And I'll catch you tomorrow. I'm going to try to put these videos out as fast as possible. Tomorrow's our car show. We'll see you next week. Thanks.